There you go. Sao sai nhiều như vậy hả Việt? Ok. Ôi. Ok, a long distance away, một cái khoảng cách xa thì mình ta gọi đó chính là chữ gì? A long distance away. Far, đúng rồi. To travel to a road, an area or country in order to learn about it. Đi du lịch, travel, travel. Thì dùng chữ nào trong đây? Chữ nào phù hợp với travel? Explore. Yes, to travel around. And this one? Woo. No, this one is explore. And this one? Tent. Camping. And this one is shout. Shout. Laugh. Shout. All right. Okay, let's go with today's lesson. Are you hungry? Have you eaten dinner yet?
No.
Con đọc to lên. Can you speak louder?
No.
I cannot hear you very well. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, today you are learning about plants. Do you want to study plants?
No.
Why? Why you don't want to study plants? Do you have any plants at home?
No.
Ah, so your house is not green. All right, you don't have any plants inside the house? Yes or no? Do you have?
No.
No. Okay, I have some plants in my yard, in my front yard. Okay. Okay, let's go. Now you study about plants, huh? You study plants.
Stem.
Same.
Same.
Same. Okay.
Root.
Root. Stop drawing. Root.
Root.
Okay. So what does a stem do? What does a stem do?
The stem.
What does it do for the tree? What does the stem do? Why? Why does the tree need a stem?
Because
what does the stem do?
Stem tree can't stand.
Yes, good, good. The stem helps the tree stand. All right, stand. All right, stand up. Okay, it helps the stand, the tree stand. Okay, next one, root. What does a root do? Why does a tree need a root? Oh no, not need a root. Need roots. Need many roots. Why? Why does a tree need a lot of roots? Heavy.
Because.
Why? Why does it need a lot of roots?
Don't have a root. Don't have a plant.
What? Don't have a plant? No. Why? Why does a tree need a lot of roots? Not one root, but a lot of roots. Why does a tree need a lot of roots? Heavy? The roots take what? The roots take water and food for the tree. Okay, it takes water and food for the tree to grow up, you know. Okay, so that's why the tree needs a lot of roots, all of different directions to get water. Okay. Next word.
Flower.
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 Why does a tree need a flower? And what does a flower do for a tree? Beautiful boy. What does a flower do for a tree? Bé thơm. What is bé thơm? I don't know bé thơm. Who is bé thơm? What does a flower do for a tree? Heavy cố gắng triển khai cho thầy nào. Go. What does a flower do for a tree? Cứ trả lời bằng tất cả những gì mình biết. Go. What does a flower do for a tree? Heavy, stop typing. What does a flower do for a tree? Can you stop dry? Can you answer that? What does a flower do for a tree? Can't home. Ah, okay, the flower makes a smell, have a smell. The flowers have a smell, have a good smell.
Yes.
All right, the flowers have a good smell. And then when you feel really sad, you can go to the tree and smell the flower. Okay. Do you want to smell the flower?
No.
Why? It's a very good smell.
It's bad smell.
It's a
for
bad
me.
smell.
For
No.
me.
Ah, okay. It's a bad smell for you. Okay, so you don't want to smell a flower. Okay. Next one.
Leaf.
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 What does a leaf do? Why does a tree need a lot of leaves? Đừng có type nữa, trả lời cho thầy đi. Stop typing. I don't know. Go. Why does a tree need a lot of leaves? Học môn sinh học chưa vậy Heavy? Có học môn gì liên quan tới cây cỏ không trên trường không? Sao không biết cái này? Lá cây làm nhiệm vụ gì? Chưa học đến giỏi ha. Okay. So leaves help the tree get the sunlight. Okay. Quang hợp đấy, đó là hiện tượng quang hợp á. That is the leaves can produce food for the tree through the sunlight. Okay, next one.
Fruit.
What does a fruit do? Fruit makes or helps the tree. Help what? Quả thì làm gì? Khi con ăn hết quả nó sẽ có hạt, vậy hạt nó để làm hạt thì con không biết hết. Quả để làm gì nè? What does a fruit do? You don't know. The last one.
Seed.
What does a seed do? Hạt thì dùng để làm gì? Đừng nó không biết nha.
The seed can be a tree.
Yes, the seed can make a baby tree. Can make a small tree. Okay. All right. The seed becomes a small tree. Okay.
Oxygen.
Heavy. Oxygen.
Oxygen.
What does it do? What does an oxygen do? What does oxygen do?
Oxygen can live quantum.
Phải không? Anh thấy cái gì sai sai ấy nha. What does oxygen do?
Wow.
Okay, oxygen. You live with oxygen. What happens if we don't have oxygen?
We be die.
Yes, we will die. Okay, if we don't have oxygen to breathe. Okay.
Underground.
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 What is underground?
It's a root.
The roots. Yes, the roots are underground. Okay, here we go. Number 1.
Stem.
You got number 1.
Stem.
Stem.
Root.
Number 2.
Root.
Number 3.
Flower.
Flower.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Fruit.
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 Chữ phò với chữ r. Fruit.
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 Seed.
Seed.
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Okay, now
Underground.
Underground.
Underground. Okay, so now I cover the word and then you type the word in chat box. Okay, ready? Go. You have 3 seconds. Okay, count down. 1, 2, 3. Same. There you go. Good. Next one. Root. 1, 2, 3. Next one. Flower. 1, 2, 3. I have to count very fast. Leaf. 1, 2, 3. Fruit. 1, 2, 3. Seed. 1, 2, 3. An oxygen. 1, 2, 3. Oxygen. Oxygen. Can you remember that? No. Letter Y, not letter A, not letter I. Y. Oxygen. Underground. 1, 2, 3. Underground. No, under, not under. Okay, under, not under. Okay.
Yeah.
And ground, not ground. Underground, no, underground. Okay. Okay, heavy. So would you prefer to have a tree with fruit or a tree with flowers? Which one would you like?
Tree with fruit.
You like to have a tree that grows fruit. Why?
Because I can eat.
You can eat fruit. Yes. Okay, so you like a tree that grows fruit. And I like a tree that grows flowers because it can make my house beautiful, more beautiful, especially when it comes to that holiday. I look at the flowers. It is very beautiful in my house. Okay. What are you doing? What are you looking at? You are looking at your sister?
No.
Who is that?
My mom.
Your mother? Your mother is here?
Yes.
Because it comes with that holiday. So that's why your mom stay at home. Okay. Okay, you want a tree that grows fruit. Okay, and I want a tree that grows flower because flowers can make my house beautiful. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's go with the lesson today. Okay, now can you read this for me? Good. The question. Okay, now can you say the question? What are you typing? Oh, that is a chick. Okay, let's go. Say the question and the answers.
Which parts?
Which parts?
Which parts of the plant are these? Those are seeds.
Those are the C's. Okay. What? Next one. Next question
What
and next
do
answer.
they do? They grow and become new plants.
New baby plants. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Okay, which part of the tree is this? Which part of a tree is this? That is a
Flower.
which that is a flower. And which part of a tree is this?
It's leaf.
That is leaf. Okay, good. Okay. Part là cái phần, một phần nào đó người ta gọi là part. Ví dụ part of the tree, cái phần của cái cây. Okay, part of the tree. Okay, part of body parts. Body parts. Part of a tree or body parts here. Alright, body parts. Body parts, các phần của cơ thể. Thì mình sẽ có eyes, nose, mouth, ears, arms, neck, mouth, teeth. Alright. Okay. Đó là body parts. Part đó là phần, một phần nào đó ha, của cái gì đó ha. Okay. Okay, now let's go. Let's watch the video.
This is the Eden Project. It's in Cornwall in the UK. There are 4,500 kinds of plants in the Eden Project.
There are a lot of plants.
There are flowers, trees, and lots of grass.
Lots of grass.
We need plants like grass, trees, and flowers. They give us food, clothing, and oxygen.
So plants give us food.
That's why the Eden Project grows so many plants. Many of these plants are very different.
They're different.
But they all start growing from a seed, and they all have the same parts. These are trees.
Okay, Heavy. Plants are different or the same?
Yes or no?
Yes or no? Oh, no. Plants are different or the same? Different or the same?
Yes.
Different or the same? Different, khác nhau, or the same, giống nhau. Plants are different or the same?
Different.
Plants are different. Cây cối thực vật khác nhau hả? Why? Why are they different? How do you know that they are different?
The trees is big, the sand is small.
Can you speak louder? I cannot hear you.
The trees is big.
Some trees are big and some trees are small. And some trees grow flowers and some trees grow fruit. That is how different they are. Also, they are the same too. Do you know what they have in common? Heavy, what do they have in common? What do they have in common? What parts are the same? What do they have in common? Yeah. Can you speak louder? I cannot hear. Speak louder. What do they have in common? Có điểm nào giống nhau giữa những cái này không? In common là giống nhau ấy. Có điểm chung ấy. In common là điểm chung ấy. What do they have in common? They all have the same parts. Có những cái phần giống nhau. For example, all trees have flowers. No, all trees have leaves. All trees have stems. All trees have roots. Okay, so they have something similar. They have something the same. All right. Okay, next one.
Trees.
No, I don't give you the control.
Trees have long roots. These roots grow underground, and they take in food and water. Trees have big, strong stems, too. These stems are called trunks.
They have big stems. They are
Smaller
trunks.
plants have smaller stems.
And some
But big stems and small stems do the same thing. They help the plants to stand, and they bring water from the roots to the other parts of the plant. Stems also grow leaves. Trees have a lot of leaves.
Trees have a lot of leaves.
Some trees have leaves all year. Some trees don't have leaves in the winter.
Don't have leaves in the winter.
Other plants have leaves too. Some plants also have flowers. These flowers are often very colorful,
They have lots of
and
colors.
with the help of bees, they make seeds. And then other plants can grow. Some trees grow flowers,
Some trees grow.
and some grow fruit too.
There you go.
This is an apple tree. Inside these apples are new seeds. Many animals eat fruit from trees. Then, these animals move the seeds to other places.
Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go. Now, can you read the story? The parts of the plant.
Plants give us food, clothing, and
Clothing.
oxygen. Clothing
And
and
oxygen.
oxygen. There are over
250
kings,
thousand.
250,000
250,000 kinds
of plants in the world. Many plants have 6 parts.
parts.
Each part
Each part
has a job to
has a
do.
job job, not job, job. That's a
Job.
job to do. Okay.
Coming
Seeds,
many
shapes and sizes.
sizes when seeds
These are in the earth.
earth when grow and becoming
New plants. Can you read faster, Heavy?
The root of
The
a
roots.
plant, the roots of the plant usually grow underground. They take in food and water for the plant.
Same.
The stem grow up from the roots and help the plant to stand. It stores food and big water
And
to
brings water.
All other part
Of the
of
plant.
a plant.
Leaves.
Leaf grow out to the stem.
Out of the same, not out to.
They use the sun to make food for the plant.
The
Many
sunlight.
flowers are
Colorful. They have a lot of color.
colorful. They help a plant to make seeds. Some plants grow fruit, which have seeds in them. Apple, orange, and tomatoes.
Oranges and
all
tomatoes
fruit.
are all fruit. Okay. Okay, Heavy. Now I say the part and then you guess what part it is. Okay. Which part it is. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. This part of a plant takes in water and food for the tree.
Yeah, faster. I'm very hungry.
What is it? Which part is it? This part takes in water and food.
Stem.
No.
Leaf.
This part takes in water and food for the plant. What is it? Seeds, roots, stem, leaves, flowers, or fruit.
Seeds.
Seeds.
Now.
Yeah. Seeds. Huh? Not seeds. Not seeds. Seeds. Not seeds. Which part takes in water and food for the plant? Cái bộ phận nào của cây mà lấy nước và thức ăn? Lấy nước cho cây thì là cái nào?
Leaf.
Sao mà leaf mà lấy nước được? Đó.
Flower.
No.
Seeds.
It's underground.
Oh,
What is it?
Underground.
Faster. What is it? Underground. Underground là cái gì? What is underground?
Đất.
Hả?
Đất.
Sao mà có duck ở đây? No, not duck. Which part? Bộ phận nào của cây? Takes in water and food for plants, and they are underground. It's in the roots. Yeah. Roots takes in water, taking water and food for the plant. Right? How many parts of a tree are there? How many parts of a tree, of a plant are there? Heavy? How many parts?
5, 0, 0, 0.
How many parts of a plant are there? How many parts?
So many.
How many?
I don't know.
Đọc bài rồi mà nói I don't know. How many parts of a plant are there? No, nó là loại. Còn có bao nhiêu parts? Có bao nhiêu bộ phận? How many parts of a plant are there? Trả lời bằng tiếng Anh đi Heavy. Stop speak. There are
Six.
There are 6 parts of a plant. What are they?
Yeah, faster.
What
So
are they?
fast.
There are 6 parts of a plant. What are they? They are
Seeds.
seeds, roots,
Leaves, stem,
leaves, stem,
flowers,
and
fruit.
fruit. So there are 6 parts of a plant. Okay. Bây giờ hãy kể tên mà nếu con đoán đúng thì mới đừng nghĩ nha. Okay. Alright, this part grows fruit. No, this part is very colorful and it helps the plant to make seeds. Flowers, yes. And this part helps the plant stand.
It's a root.
No. This part helps the plant stand up. What part is it? This part helps helps a plant to stand. Cây muốn đứng được phải nhờ cái gì? Trời ơi. Easy. Same. Good. And this part uses the sun to make food for the plant.
Okay,
Leaves. Okay. And this part grows baby trees, a baby plant.
Roots.
No. This part becomes a new plant. Seed. Yes. Seeds. All right. They grow and become new plants. Okay, new baby plants. Okay. Okay, let's go. What is inside fruit? Heavy? What is inside fruit?
Seeds.
Oh no, there are answers here. I should cover the answer. Okay, what is inside the fruit?
It's a seeds.
Seeds are
inside a fruit.
Seeds are inside the fruit. What happens if seeds are in the earth? What happens when seeds are in the earth? Earth là đất đấy. Chuyện gì sẽ xảy ra khi mà hạt ở dưới đất? They become
have a root and have a baby tree.
Yes, they become new plants. They grow, lớn lên. They grow up, grow up, giống như con grow up vậy. Đây nó cũng grow up. They grow up and become new plants. Okay. What do leaves make food for the plant? What do leaves make food for the plant? Mình học tới đây thôi nhé. You are very hungry. Goodbye for now and go have dinner. Bye bye. Bữa sau hãy bù nhé. Bữa nay hơi bị bữa nay Zoom nó không cho dạy nhiều. Ok, bữa sau hãy bù giờ nhé. Ok. Goodbye.
Chào anh em nha.
Do you have any new video on YouTube?
Yes.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna watch it later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I have dinner.
Okay.